Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Next.js to implement UI routing and redirects. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Next.js for UI routing and redirects, begin by ensuring you have a Next.js project set up. Install the necessary authentication library, such as Next.auth.js or any other preferred option. Create an API route by adding a new file in the pages/API directory. In this file, configure your authentication provider and any necessary settings. Next, create a login page in the pages directory for user sign-in. Within this login page, implement a form that captures user credentials. Use the authentication library's sign-in method when the form is submitted. Ensure that you handle any errors appropriately to provide user feedback. Once the user is authenticated, redirect them to a protected route or dashboard. For protected routes, create a higher-order component that checks if the user is authenticated. If the user is unauthorized, redirect them back to the login page. In your protected component, apply this higher-order component to enforce authentication. For logout functionality, implement a sign-out button that calls the sign-out method from your authentication library. On the click of this button, redirect the user to a designated landing page. Finally, test the entire flow to ensure authorization, routing, and redirects work seamlessly. Review your code for any security vulnerabilities or potential issues. Make sure to optimize your user experience by handling loading states and errors gracefully. With these steps completed, your Next.js application will effectively manage user authorization and routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.